Hello everyone, welcome back to Polly's World. Friends, today I will give you a demonstration on my new DIY project that is on baby explosion box. So at first, let me open the box for you all. And this is how it looks from inside. The basic concept of this explosion box is on first year birthday of a baby girl. So this box has 4 layers, first layer, second layer, third layer, and now the outermost layer. This is the fourth layer. So this way all the 4 sides of the box have 4 layers. Now let me start with the outermost layer of this box. So let me just arrange all the remaining layers and cover it with the box lid. So now let us come to the outermost layer of this box. I would rather consider this as the first layer of the box because I have made some monthly pockets starting from this particular layer. Here in the first pocket, as you can see, I have made a monthly record card where you can write the date, milestones your baby has achieved in this month, and also special memories of the baby. And also at the back of this card, you will get a free space to paste a picture of your baby in the first month. Again, you get one more photo card option where you can paste another picture of your baby. So friends, this is basically the first month pocket of this explosion box, and in the same way I have made total 12 pockets for 12 months. And the good part is these pockets are really spacious, so if you want you can even add up extra cards. Now let me move clockwise. So this is the second pocket showing second month of the baby. Now the third pocket showing third month of the baby, and this one is the fourth pocket showing the fourth month of the baby. This was the first layer of the explosion box having 4 pockets showing 4 first months of the baby. Now friends, let me show you the next layer of this explosion box. And this is the next layer, that is the second layer of the explosion box. And in this layer also you will get monthly pockets having monthly record cards and photo card options. And there you get a photo card option where you can paste a beautiful picture of your baby. So this was the 5th month pocket. So I'm keeping all the 5th month's card over here. Once again we will move clockwise, and this is the 6th month pocket. So here also you will get a monthly record card, then a photo card option where you can paste a picture. You can also paste a picture behind the photo card. So this was the 6th month. And in the same way, next I have made the 7th month pocket. Here it goes. It looks something like this. And this one is the 8th month pocket. Now let me show you one additional advantage of this layer. In this layer, other than monthly pockets, you will get some extra space to keep your cards. Like behind this monthly pocket, you will get some extra space, an extra pocket. Now here also you will get one more pocket. This is the next one, and here this is the last pocket. So behind every monthly pocket you will get some extra space so that you can keep your extra cards or some more photographs if you want to add, or any additional notes if you want to add, so you can keep in these pockets and store your memories. So friends, this part of the explosion box is over. Now let us come to the next layer, that is the third layer of the box. And this layer also have 4 monthly pockets, that is for the month 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th. So this is the 9th month pocket having the monthly record card and photo card options, just like the other monthly pockets as we have seen so far. Now once again let us move clockwise, and this one is the 10th month pocket. Now next it is the 11th month pocket, and the last one, that is the 12th month pocket. So 1 year of your baby is complete. So just like the second layer, this layer also has some extra space to keep extra cards and photographs. So behind every monthly pockets you will get some extra pockets to keep your extra cards and photographs. Now friends, let us come to the 4th and the final layer of this explosion box. Okay, so here in this layer I have made some extra jackets with the help of some cute baby cutouts. Okay, so the idea behind this cute space is you can write some cute notes for your baby, or else you can write any short stories of your baby, and also the option for photograph is always there. So as the space is little smaller, so you can also keep small photographs of your baby. So friends, this was the idea behind this DIY project, where you can store all the beautiful and cute memories of your baby in this explosion box. And I personally love the color combination of this box, which is so charming and captivating to my eyes. So friends, I would love to store my baby's memories in this beautiful box, and it was an absolute pleasure to make such beautiful box for my baby. I hope you liked this DIY project. So give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. And if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe my channel. So see you next time with another DIY project. Till then, take care and bye bye.